Hey, it's Cam with TekamoHD in partnership with Rent One, and today we're going to show you installation and detachment of buckets and attachments on these Wedgelock pin grabber style couplers. As far as bucket position and attachment position, stretch her right out, stretch arm strong, then you can curl your bucket in without being all the way curled up. Pin grabbers typically have two buttons. Button to disengage that front wedge, that's the beeping you hear now. Now we go and we hold this back button. It's a momentary switch on the back button. You just hold it for a second, it undoes, and then we go and we undo the pin, and you'll hear the pin. There we go. That's it. Now we'll go into hooking it back up. Hooking it up is even easier because there's no timing. There's nothing to worry about with that. So if we go and hold our button again, and now we disengage the button here, and that lets our front wedge slide in. And then always confirm, give it a little shake. So now that our wedges are both locked in, we're good to go to work. We can start digging or moving dirt, whatever. If you need help repairing your Wedgelock coupler, give us a call. Call TekamoHD. We have experience in these types of couplers and sourcing parts for them. So hope you enjoyed this.